This is how you speed up and slow down video footage on your iPhone. A few useful applications for this feature is making time lapses, such as this beautiful sunset which I took across the city of Melbourne. Or you can just make it look like you can run really fast, like in this video here. Further doodling provided me with the solution. Start by opening InShot. Go to Video and go to New. Before I choose my video, let me introduce you to Dave. This is Dave, our pet golden retriever. I tried to get a video of Dave jumping up to get some food, but it turns out that Dave's a bit camera shy and he wouldn't cooperate for the camera. But thanks anyway, Dave, you're still a good boy. So instead, I'm going to show you this video of a blowfly and we're going to make it slow down. So choose the video and press on the tick. Go to the section that you want to use. So I'm getting closer and closer to the fly. There he is. And in a moment he's going to fly away. There he goes. I'm going to split the video so as it starts just before this happens and delete the first part. And also this is in the vertical frame. So to fix that we go to Canvas and choose the horizontal and tick. There we go. So this is how it looks in real time. The fly's there and the fly's gone. So choose the video. And we're going to go across to speed, which is in the middle now. You can choose any speed you like from this line along here, all the way up to 100 times normal speed, down to 0.2 times normal speed. So let's go first to 0.5. And press tick. How does it look when it's half of the normal speed? Not too bad, you get to see the fly for a bit longer. Go all the way down to 0.2 or 20% of the real life speed. Press tick. Now you should see the fly for a bit longer. And he's still going really quickly, but you get to see him for a bit longer. Now I'm going to show you how to speed up a video to make it look like you can run really fast. So again, go to Video, go to New. And this is the one that I need here. And I'm going to go to where I want the video to start, which is me at the fence facing this way. I'm going to split it so we delete the first part. Press the rubbish bin so it's gone. And this is how it looks in real time. Oh, okay, a bit too close and my head was chopped off. But that's the way it goes. That's what happens. And I'm going to delete the part after that. So I've pressed split and delete. So now to speed it up, let's see how fast we can make it. We'll start with double the normal speed. So this is 2 times. Press the tick. Yeah, not too bad, but I want to see it faster. Let's go 5 times. And play. Pretty good. But let's go faster still. Let's double that again. We'll go 10 times. And tick. That's about as fast as you'd like to go because it was getting a bit hard to see. But just out of interest, let's put it as fast as it would go for this particular video. Because it's fairly short, it won't go all the way up to 100, otherwise it just won't be long enough. But we can make it 81.31 times normal speed. And it goes for all of 0.1 second. How's it look? Yep. So I just appear, there I am. So now that you can adjust the speed of your video, the next thing you'll need to learn is right here.